Mel 2204, your pageant vlogger host. Subscribe!
Magandang araw Pilipinas and good day pageant lovers. Mamaya nga ay magaganap na ang Miss Universe Philippines 2024 National Costume Competition. And Miss Universe Philippines Iloilo City Alexi Brooks ipinasilip na ang kanyang gagamiting national costume from Iloilo City. Kaya naman panoorin natin ang pasilip sa national costume ni Miss Alexi Brooks. Let's watch this.